Today we will discuss about the parametric equation of any point on a parabola. Here the four standard equation of parabola are given: y square equals to 4x, y square equals to minus 4x, x square equals to 4ay, and x square equals to minus 4ay. So what will be the parametric equation of any point on this parabola? For y square equals to 4x, the parametric coordinate of any point is 8t square comma 280. For y square equals to minus 4x, the point will be minus 8 square comma 280. For x square equals to 4ay, the point will be 280 comma 8 square. And for x square equals to minus 4ay, the point will be minus 280 comma minus 8 square. So any points on the parabola y square equals to 4x can be written as 8 square comma 280. If we put the point, then it will satisfy the equation. That is, if we put 8 square in the place of x and 280 in the place of y, then we will get 280 whole square equals to 4 square t square, and 4ax will be 4a into 8 square, that is also equals to 4 square t square. So the point will satisfy the equation of the parabola. Similarly, these points also satisfy the equation of this parabola. Now we will solve some problems related to the parametric equations of the point of parabola. The first question is y square equals to 4x is a parabola. If the chord whose endpoints are 8t1 square, 281 and 8t2 square, 282 passing through the focus, we have to prove t1 t2 equals to minus 1. So here this is the parabola, it is open to the positive x direction. PQ is a chord and it is passing through the focus of the parabola. We have to prove t1 t2 equals to minus 1. Now the focus of the parabola y square equals to 4x is a comma 0. We know that the focus is a comma 0. Now PSQ will be in same line if the slope of PS and slope of QS will be same. So slope of PS is 2a t1 minus 0 divided by 8t1 square minus a. We know that the slope of a line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We just apply the formula, and slope of SQ is 2a t2 minus 0 divided by a to t2 square minus a. Now if we simplify, then it will be 2a t1 by 8 into t1 square minus 1, that is 2t1 by t1 square minus 1, and it will be 2a t2 by a into t2 square minus 1, that will be simplified to 2t2 by t2 square minus 1. Now the slope will be same if PSQ is a line. So now 2t1 by t1 square minus 1 equals to 2t2 by t2 square minus 1. If we cross multiply the above, then we will get 2t1 t2 square minus 2t1 equals to 2t2 t1 square minus 2t2. Now if we take the whole term to the left side of the equal sign, then we will get 2t1 t2 square minus 2t1 square t2 plus 2t2 minus 2t1 equals to 0. Now if we take 2t1 t2 common, then we will get 2t1 t2 into t2 minus t1, and if we take 2 common, then it will be 2 into t2 minus t1, that will be equals to 0. So now if we take t2 minus t1 common, then we will get 2t1 t2 plus 2 equals to 0. Now the product of t2 minus t1 and 2t1 t2 plus 2 equals to 0, so any one of them will be 0. Now if t2 minus t1 equals to 0, then t1 t2, then t1 equals to t2, but t1 not equals to t2, because if t1 equals to t2, then the 2 points will be same point. So 2t1 t2 plus 2 equals to 0, that means t1 t2 equals to minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So t1 t2 equals to minus 1. So our problem is proved. Now the second question is, find the coordinates of the point which is 4 units distance from the focus of the parabola x square equals to 8y. So we have to find the points which is at a distance of 4 units from the focus of the given parabola x square equals to 8y. So the equation given is x square equals to 8y, and the parabola is opens toward positive y-axis direction. So the focus is 0, a. Now here 4ay equals to 8y. So a equals to 8y by 4y, that is 2. So the focus will be 0, 2. Now the parabola x square equals to 8y is in the form x square equals to 4ay. So any point on the parabola can be taken as 2at, 8t square. It is the parametric form of any points. So here a equals to 2. So any point can be taken as 2a, that means 2 into 2, that means 40, 2t square. So any points can be taken as 40, 2t square. Now the distance, now any point on the parabola is 40, 2t square. Now the distance of the point 40, 2t square from the focus 0, 2 is 4. So 4 equals to root over of 40 minus 0 whole square plus 2t square minus 2 whole square. We know that the distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d equals to root over of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So here 4 equals to this is, if we square both sides, then we will get 16 equals to 40 minus 0 means 40, 40 whole square equals to 16t square plus 2t square minus 2 whole square, that means a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be equals to 4t to the power 4 plus 4 minus 8t square. Now this will be equals to 4t to the power 4 plus 16t square minus 8t square equals to 8t square plus 4 minus 16 equals to 0. So if we divide it by 4, then we will get t to the power 4 plus 2t square minus 3 equals to 0. Now if we factorize it, then we will get t square plus 3 into t square minus 1 equals to 0. So the product of two factor equals to 0 means one of this factor is 0, but t square plus 3 cannot be equals to 0. So t square minus 1 equals to 0. That means t square equals to 1. That means t equals to plus minus 1. Now, when t equals to 1, then the point is, here we will put t equals to 1. So the point will be 4 comma 2. When t equals to minus 1, then the point is minus 4 comma 2. So the 2 points are 4 comma 2 and minus 4 comma 2.